டெக்கான் ரம்மி டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்து 20 லட்சம் வெல்லும் வாய்ப்பை பெறுங்கள்.
உங்கள் காரை சிறந்த தரத்தில் சிறப்பு சலுகையில் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணுமா? உடனே 5K கார் காருக்கு வாங்க.
குத்து சண்டை உன்னோட நீ பார்த்த போதும் முத்து சண்டை உன்னோட நீ போட வேணும்.
Product you refuse to promote. Why?
Fairness screams for sure. Beauty is different in different people's opinions and different people's eyes. So fairness screams no. I don't like how obsessed Indians are with fair skin. Kadai poma.
Very much.
I'm always single.
You've never been in a relationship. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I've been. Nariya.
Hey!
Hi! Awaaz kam kar. Sorry, my brother.
Hi!
He's here and he's misbehaving.
வீட்ல அம்மா ஓமை கடவுளை பார்த்தேன்னு சொன்னாங்க. What was the compliment அவங்க கொடுத்தது?
She said you acted really well. It's like, thanks. She loved everybody's performance. She loved Vijay Sethupathi sir. She loved Vani. She loved Ashok. Everybody she liked.
ஓகே, நீங்க வந்து நூடுல்ஸ் மண்டை அப்படி சொல்லி பயங்கரமா ஃபேமஸ் ஆகி பயங்கர வைரல் ஆயிட்டீங்க. சோ உங்களுக்கு நூடுல்ஸ் மண்டைனா யாரு ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருவாங்க?
Oh, my cousin sister has curly hair. That's why she is my noodles Monday.
சோ ஓமை கடவுளே ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்ல எடுத்த பிக்சர்ஸ்லாம் வந்துட்டு நிறைய நாங்க பார்த்தோம். நிறைய இந்த சீனுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த சீனுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படிலாம் இருந்தது? ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்ல நடந்த ஏதாவது ஒரு மெமரபிள் இன்சிடென்ட் you can share with us?
There are so many. Every day on set was so much fun with everybody. You met us in person. It's a very fun team. All of us are very fun. We're very chilled out. We have the same vibes, same energies. So it was like chilling with friends. It was like working on a film with friends. I had so much fun.
But one moment that is like close to your heart.
I think that scene where Kadai Poma song ends. Then Arjun and Anu go back home and then they say bye to each other.
Yeah.
And then that hug, that day was really good.
Oh. So
it was very organic. Everything on set was very organic actually. But that scene in particular was just too good for me.
Super. And வந்து அந்த இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பொண்ணுலாம் கிடைக்காது அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு டயலாக் இருக்கும்ல படத்துல.
Yeah.
இந்த மாதிரி பொண்ணுலாம் சான்ஸே இல்ல அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு and people are tagging you like உங்களை டாக் பண்ணும்போது how does it feel?
Feels good, but I don't think anybody will say it to me. Like nobody will say it to Ritika. People will say it to Anu, but
Anu.
Not to me maybe.
Okay, but who? Yeah. You tell me.
No, I was saying they are all unique in our own ways. So, like I could say, Undamari ponnu ella kadikade, so can work for you also. So maybe for me also, I don't know.
Okay, from the industry, from the Collywood industry or the Tollywood industry, நீங்க யாருக்கு அந்த டயலாக் சொல்லுவீங்க? இந்த மாதிரி பொண்ணெல்லாம் சான்ஸே இல்ல or இந்த மாதிரி பையெல்லாம் சான்ஸே இல்ல.
Sai Pallavi.
And எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு உங்களுடைய லாக்டவுன்?
Nice. Still, we have our own karate martial arts gym. So we are doing online training almost every day. We have our live training in the evening. We have 2 batches, 3 batches sometimes. So that's a lot of activity happening over there. Then I work out. Then I clean the house, doing the dishes and reading and watching TV.
One important thing, you dance a lot, right?
Yeah, just for fun. Yeah. Just for fun. I like picking up choreography because it challenges the brain and the body. So I like that. Hey, guess who's here?
Who's here? Who's there?
Ashok.
Oh, hi Ashok, busy.
I don't know, must be here somewhere.
Did he text you? Like in the comment?
He said hi Noodles Monday.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, why are you so angry? What happened?
I'm always angry at him.
Why?
Just I don't like him.
You don't
I'm kidding. Hi Shoki.
Okay, see now Ashok has got a question bar request. So I saw that.
What is it? Please tell
okay,
us.
Ashok,
Shoki.
so please tell us what is the request bar question or question bar request?
No, I think he. Array.
I want you to sing Kadai Poma. You know something? I made him sing Kadai Poma when we had a live session.
Array. நேற்று நான் உன்னை பார்த்து உன்னோடு நானும் போனே தூரம் யாவும் நெஞ்சிலே. Bus.
What bus? I heard only 2 words.
I forgot.
Okay, you could have just continued with Kadai Pama, no? After the summit.
கதை போமா கதை போமா கதை போமா நானும் நீ நானும் நான்.
Okay, so now let's go to the behind its 2020 part.
Okay.
Madhi or Anu, which is more of you?
I think I'm a mix of both here and there.
Okay, we have a dare for you. You must do it before the live ends, okay?
Okay.
So I'm telling you now so that you can get prepared for that.
Okay.
You have to sing a Sandakara 2 lines for us.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll sing now.
When the live. You sing now itself. Super.
குத்து சண்டை என்னோட நீ பார்த்த போதும் முத்து சண்டை இதோட நீ போட வேணும் தனிமை
அலையிலே நானும்.
மனசே இத கரெக்ட் தொடர்ந்து
Correct.
பார்த்து that's it.
Hey, super. Best coach ever அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு post. Oh, he's watching. He's not gone. Yeah, in some post you captioned it as best coach ever. Who's the best coach?
My father.
Oh.
Yeah, he's the best. Somebody asked an interesting question. Oh, Vinay,
Yeah.
he said, how can women train on self-defense at home? Should I show you?
What was the question? I don't know. I'm not getting you.
How can women train in self-defense at home?
Okay.
I'll show you.
You can show me, but before that, Ashok is asking, so you were saying you will come to meet me after the lockdown.
Now that you're saying it like that, yeah, I'll come. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. I'll definitely come to meet you. You're going to make me cry.
No, she's becoming emotional now.
No, I'm acting.
I know. Okay. Now show us the defense.
Thank God I'm wearing full pants. Okay, so one thing is you can practice your knees. Okay? So
Okay.
like knees, and then you can practice elbows.
Okay, but what if our 2 hands are held? We have only.
Then you can use your head. So
Okay.
if your hand is held like this, you can use this and you can go like boom. Or you can bite, you can use your nails.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of things. It just depends on what you have available in that moment. It depends upon your presence of mind and how quick you are when you react. That is why it's so important to practice every day.
But it begins to.
Are you hyperactive? I am the definition of hyperactive. I can't control it. It's beyond my control.
I know, but that's pretty good actually. We are enjoying it. Maddie and Ashok Selvan ஒரு quality each other exchange பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா என்ன quality இருக்கு?
Ayo, this is very confusing. Oh, I got one quality. Maybe Ashok can speak Hindi like Maddie sir, and Maddie sir can be as goofy as Ashok. Just saying. That's the only thing I could think of.
Okay. Husband material na யாரு சொல்வீங்க? Maddie-ஆ Ashoka?
Maddie sir is my coacher.
Okay.
Okay, Ashok is basically like Arjun. You saw Arjun is not marriage material at all. So definitely not Ashok. And Maddie sir is master. Where are the options irka?
Where options இல்லையே. Like not in general யார் வந்து who will be the perfect husband?
You know Superman, the guy who plays Superman, Henry Cavill.
Yeah.
Him.
If you're allowed to challenge Ashok Selvan, what would your challenge be?
I'll challenge him to a fight.
Like with you?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And I'll challenge him to dance. So a dance off and a fight, both.
Okay. We'll ask him to do then. You're gonna get locked yourself in a room full of money or full of food?
Full of food.
Where's the worst place you've got stuck?
Oh, I went to a club on my birthday, on my 25th birthday. I thought, ooh, I'll party. I'm an adult, I'll party.
I know that. I know the experience, I guess.
So I went to the club and I paid a cover charge for everybody who went with me, and we came out in 10 minutes.
I know, you told me.
I would never want to go to that particular club again. Like,
Okay.
to any club, I don't usually like clubbing. I don't know, maybe I'm yet to experience that side properly.
But why
But-
you love dancing, so you can just go and dance there, no? With your
Yeah, I
friends.
know. I don't know why I don't enjoy clubs. Maybe I went with the wrong company. Maybe if I go with the right people, I'll enjoy it.
Who you have met whom you thought you will never meet in your life?
Ranveer Singh.
What?
Ranveer Singh.
Why that's so secret? And
I
you're
don't know. I
blushing.
just felt like saying it. He's my favorite. I want to work with him someday. So I met him and it was a great experience, and I really, really would like to work with him someday. Fingers crossed.
You spoke to him as well.
Yeah. So my friend Shalini, you know Shalini Pandey, no?
Yeah.
She was shooting for her Hindi film, and I went to her set to see her, and he was also there.
Oh,
We
that's
met
so...
and we spoke, and it was damn cool. Yeah.
Which product you refuse to promote and why?
One would be fairness creams for sure,
Okay.
because I don't feel like your beauty is defined by the color that you have
Okay.
or the features that you have. Beauty is different in different people's opinions and different people's eyes. So fairness creams, no. I don't like how obsessed Indians are with fair skin. I don't like that.
If you could swim in any liquid, which one would you choose?
I would
to
swim in cold coffee.
When was you proud of yourself?
I think when I first was selected to represent India in the World Championships as a kickboxer, and
Wow.
second was when I won the national award for hoodies. Those two moments, I was like, wow.
Okay. Two greatest things in your life.
One, I would say hoodies. I love hoodies. They save me every time. Second, I'd say right now in quarantine, Wi-Fi and Netflix and Amazon and stuff like that. Very, very important. And books.
Books.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're late to some place, what would be the excuse?
I'll probably say I woke up with a headache. Yeah.
Okay.
Always work. And you have to also act. You have to just come and say. So when you enter, only you come like this. Oh, I can't. And then they say, what happened? You say, my head, yeah, that's why I'm late. My head has been aching since I woke up in the morning. So you have to really act it out. Only
Oh,
then
it
you
worked
do
for you.
Yeah, it works always.
What is the one things you would put on your bucket list now?
Is to, as soon as the lockdown ends, to travel, which I don't think we'll be able to travel for the next maybe year or so. But I really want to travel and meet all the people I take for granted. I don't meet people very often in person, so I'll
Okay.
meet them.
So just find out some interesting questions.
I'm also checking, yes.
Yeah. Hey ma'am, who's your favorite Telugu actor? Pradhan.
Venki sir.
Venki sir. Okay.
Yeah. And I really like Nani also.
Hey, my favorite also.
Yeah, he's very like
The boy
simple.
next door, simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your next movie?
I signed two. One is in Tamil, one is in a different language that I can't talk about right now. And I can't
Okay.
talk about both the films because nothing is out officially yet.
Okay. Vaishnavi, are you single?
Yep.
Very much
I'm
single.
always single.
You've never been in a relationship? Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I've been. நிறைய ஆனா
நிறைய
நான் ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட் இருக்கேன். எனக்கு தெரியும் அவருக்கு தமிழ் புரியல.
Oh.
அதான் நான் தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன். No, but இப்போ definitely
Single.
ஆனா
Okay.
முன்னாடி நிறைய
So when was the last time you cried?
day before yesterday.
For what? Watching a movie? Don't tell
No,
me.
I don't know. I was just crying. I was just feeling a little. I don't know what I was feeling. I was just crying too much that day.
Oh, are you such a sensitive girl? I thought you like.
No, I cried. I cry a lot.
Okay, please don't. No, our heart aches. You cry. Who's your favorite Avengers actor? Like Marvel actors?
Avengers में से I like the. I'm not a big Avengers person, but I like Scarlett Johansson's क्या
Black
नाम
Widow.
था?
Black Widow.
Black Widow. How to live life like you. Just be grateful a lot.
Super,
And
super.
very much like that. I'm very thankful for everything that I have.
Thank you so much, Ritika.
Thank
That
you
was
so much, Tara.
fun.
It's always so much fun talking to you.
I
Behind
know.
Woods interview was great. This was even better. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please come
Thank
back.
you.
And after this lockdown ends, we should meet sometime.
Yeah. I'll come to Chennai. You know, Ashok is calling me, so I will have to go. So when I come there, I'll meet you also.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye. I love you. Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
டெக்கான் ரம்மி டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்கும் லிங்கை கிளிக் செய்து 20 லட்சம் வெல்லும் வாய்ப்பை பெறுங்கள்.
உங்கள் காரை சிறந்த தரத்தில் சிறப்பு சலுகையில் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணணுமா? உடனே 5K கார் கேருக்கு வாங்க.